My name is Rosalie Tucker, and I'm the Court Operations Manager. Have been here for about 17 years. If you're looking for a new case management system, I would follow the lead of my CEO. What she did was she reached out to our key employees, the ones that are actually doing the hands-on work, your courtroom clerks, your counter people. Bring them in and let them participate in the demonstration of the case management systems that you're looking at. They're the ones that are going to get the buy-in, and they're the ones that are going to influence your employees to help get this project rolling. We did that. We brought in some key people. They picked out C-Track. It was by far and above better than any of the other systems we looked at. So we started working with the TR team, and they made me feel very comfortable with the system. There's a lot of IT language that I don't understand. They know the language. They understand what the court needs. And not a lot of people understand the word demur. So they were able to help us form the system that we needed. Some of our clerks said if you can shop on Amazon, you can use C-Track. It is a very simple system.
Using this new system will make all of our employees more efficient. Training will take less time. Processes will be the same. Our old case management system was very antiquated. They were very different processes while using the same system. With Thomson Reuters C-Track, the process will be the same, which makes training easier for staff.
One of the features that I really like is the hearing results screen. As I said earlier, currently our staff have to write all their minutes down and then go sit at their desk and enter in all the data. With this system, you could actually sit down and do it real time while you're in the courtroom. In fact, it was so easy for me, I thought we were missing something. I had to actually go to some of the clerks and say, did we miss something on this? Because it was so simple. It's a user-friendly system, and I highly recommend it. We met with the Thomson Reuters people from the very beginning, but they came and helped us on site with our employees to train them and to give them the tools that they needed to be able to use the system. If I sent them an email with a question, I got a response probably within an hour. When we were working with their team on developing the processes for our staff, whether it be taking a proof of correction or having to learn how to take a bail forfeiture, we would say to them, hey, we need a process for this. And within 24 hours, they would email us a simplistic step-by-step process with screen prints that we could actually use and have prepared for our staff prior to going live. They knew what we needed, and they were really accommodating. I can't say enough about the Thomson Reuters team. They were really amazing.